If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on JREKML. I'm there every day. Simon Dominic is back with Master Wu, which is kind of crazy. Let's see what they got to say. Let's see what they got to. I'm curious how it's gonna sound too. The hell they wearing? What are they sitting on? A row of teeth? Damn, I felt like I got my ass beat for a second. You heard that? Why would they do that to my ears?
Hey, hey, hey. I feel my Dougie.
Who does the Dougie nowadays?
Hey.
Tommy baby.
I'm stating it all out. 선수가 아니야, just fuck a lot.
That's a big pun reference, by the way.
마술사 손 안 쓰고도 널 벗겨놔. 관상은 사이언스 확고가 밥 먹고 가. 어때?
오빠 나 처음 느껴봐.
오케이 겪어봐. Up all night. I'm a freak like you.
Damn.
너를 다 느껴 느낌이 죽여. 나는 미친 새끼야.
What does that say? What does that mean?
I'm a freak like you. 너를 다 느껴 느낌이 죽여. 나는 미친 새끼야.
What that word mean?
I ain't 같은 거 말고 오늘은 필요한 info. 내 테이블에 여자들은 왜만 날 이뻐. 나 같은 인복상의 0.1% Lucky draw 인생 아냐 폼이 갈수록 일품. 폼이 빠삐 출로 빠삐 출로. 내가 나타나면 그녀들 가슴이 출렁. 나는 바쁘는 게 아직 서툴러.
Oh, it means just feel?
Ah. Pull up how you like that shit. How you like that? 빨아서 끼워줄래 내가 짤때 딴 새끼 찾아 나는 아냐 니 빨대.
Okay.
선은 넘지 마라 제발 내가 이빨 때. 알았으면 고개 끄덕여 가 있는 그대로
Beat's kinda interesting.
의견은 필요 없거든 가 있는 그대로 느껴. 엽떡 먹듯이 썩대 온종일 육견 스탑.
Wait, say that again?
제발 내가 이빨 때.
My boy a freak.
가 있는 그대로 느껴. 의견은 필요 없거든 가 있는 그대로 느껴. 엽떡 먹듯이
Like you slurp, yup, duck, suck dick? What?
You can stop this. I'm always into something. Always into something. I'm a freak like you. 너를 다 느껴 느낌이 죽여. 나는 미친 새끼야. 느껴. I'm a freak like you. 너를 다 느껴 느낌이 죽여. 나는 미친 새끼야.
This is the type of beat that I can hear like Snoop Dogg on. Alright, Master Wu.
Yeah. 100 times 10's how it go down. It come the OG with the lockdown.
Okay.
And I got
Yeah, OG for real though.
Whole town. Master Wu came to shut it down. Got the slaps on the deck. I'm back on the set, but I don't know how to act.
How you act?
Back on my shit, I'm right back on your ass.
Whose ass?
Yeah. I'm not your average. As soon as the beat drops, not macho, savage. Yeah.
Okay.
Forget your favorites. Fuck your top fives. There's me, and that's it. How you
Shit, he said not even Simon Dominic's on your top 5. Forget his ass.
like that? 계속
just starting shit.
말고 get your mic check. 항상 깨어 있어 별들이 빛날 때. 도둑이들지도
What an interesting way of filming this.
I'm a freak like you. 너를 다 느껴 느낌이 죽여. 나는 미친 새끼야. 느껴. I'm a freak like you. 너를 다 느껴 느낌이 죽여. 나는 미친 새끼야.
I mean, I don't know what that means. That sounds like something else. Why still look the same? I know, Master Wu OG for real. Onyx. Built around repeated demand to feel, the song is unapologetic, direct, centered on ego and instinct. Produced by Tommy Yang. Ooh, they def onto something. He said, fuck yours. No, he did not. Imagine he said that's a ZB1 top 5. That's crazy work. Next up is Simon Dominic. Simon Says. Did he not have a song called Simon Says already? Or does he always say Simon Says? Rolls Royce. That jacket's crazy.
Tommy baby.
Tommy Yang, huh? That black and white is kind of crazy.
That the beat is about to drop.
Simon says.
올려 가운데 손가락 에이.
Simon says.
red carpet 앞에 깔아 에이.
Simon says.
잔에 술 가득 따라 에이.
Simon says.
전부 내 이름 팔아 SIMONDOMINIC.
Still spelling that shit.
성공했다라고 할 수는 없어 I'm still success. 이 여자도 나를 택하잖아 완전 기석 섹시. 근본 없는 래퍼들 모가지를 자르는 어세시. 나는 트래시 나는 트래시 노땅 아닌 노땅 that's it. 금통에 아닉 스테이트 데이 90s 빈티지. 날 씹어봤자는 바로 뱉어난 명줄이 질기지. LONG LIVE SNDC been busy 쉽게 안 비지 신비주의. 내가 바꿔 판도 나 너 가져 잔돈. Top dog 흔들어 샨동 I'm a shine on them motherfuckers like my diamonds. Simon 너에게 최고의 악몽이자 감동. Paradise art night 옆자리에 pusher. 던지는 대로 다 들어가는 삶이 내 굿샷. 내 존재 눈이 부셔 When I'm with my pressure. 인생 다이나믹했어 걸 필요 없어 compressor.
Simon says.
올려 가운데 손가락 에이.
Who's the girl saying Simon Says too?
Simon says.
잔에 술 가득 따라 에이.
Simon says.
전부 내 이름 팔아 SIMONDOMINIC SIMONDOMINIC.
He making sure you know how to spell his name.
Letters from my agent friends.
Who's with him in the background? That white on white is kind of crazy.
감다 떨어진 놈들 널리 와중에 I will never fall. 메가톤 무게가 실린 never fall. Flow 계속 새거고 갖고 놀아치고 본 내가 본 나중에 지금이 최고 본 checkpoint. 내 원추 중
Oh hell nah, someone messing with me. Someone's messing with me for real.
힙합을 대표하는 뛰어난 인물. 암나 겸상안의 메인 메뉴가 돈이 아니면 싸가진 없은 지 오래 서울 와서 보니 아니게 우주의 기운은 다 나에게 사실
Simon Dominic. Hey, don't hurt me. You controlling my lights.
콜리게 시절부터 여자들을 꼴리게 했지. 너 혼자 할 때마다 나를 떠올리게 됐지. I'm an overrated underrated man. 타고난 대로 살아 문제가 안 돼 나의 게으름은. 새끼들 나를 욕하면서 내가 존나 매력네.
It must be a ghost.
스킬 덕에 난 사계절 내내 여름이야. I'm not a goat 그냥 최고들 중에 한 놈. I'm not a goat 그냥 최고들
I'm not a goat, just one of the best here.
중에 한 놈. I'm not a goat 그냥 최고들 중에 한 놈. 나만한 놈은 잘 없다고 you know that I know.
Simon says.
올려 가운데 손가락 에이. red carpet 앞에 깔아 에이.
Simon says.
잔에 술 가득 따라 에이.
I really do like Simon's voice though for rap.
SIMONDOMINIC SIMONDOMINIC.
Shit. That's pretty humble to say. I mean, you still gotta say you one of the best. I feel like if you're not confident in a rapper and you're doing hip hop, you gotta get out. I never seen a like maybe I'm good. Nah, you gotta say I'm one of the best for sure, no matter what. That was pretty solid. Simon Dominic is back with well, these are the two songs I checked out. I don't know if there's anything else, but be sure to leave your comments in the comments down below about what you think about Simon Dominic's comeback. It's been a minute since I heard him rap, to be honest. It's been a minute. It's kind of interesting to see. I like the black and white film. Tommy Yang with the beats is his name Tommy Yang? But Tommy that produced these beats, pretty fire, I'm not gonna lie. And he was just talking this shit. It was interesting hearing Masta as well. I'm not gonna lie. All right, y'all. Thank you guys for watching. Leave a like, comment what you think in the comment section down below. And I'll see you guys till next time. Peace.
Hey, you better subscribe.
Yo, be sure to join Patreon. You can become a free member or subscribe for $1 to access more content. Check out my reaction to K-pop Demon Hunters. We reacted to Squid Game Season 3. We're checking out a bunch of animes. We also upload first listens here, some exclusive reactions to K-pop comebacks. You already know I reacted to EXO Kitty, and I know Season 3 is coming up soon. So be sure to click the link to my Patreon and become a member now. If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on JREKML. I'm there every day.